Hello student, we are with the chapter 4, the new chapter which is business services. So firstly let us know what is actually business service means. Service, a term which is common in our daily day-to-day life. Once any of the electronic things get vanished away or destroyed, we call the service center or customer care. Okay, that service they provide us the service of a particular thing. That is only a service for the smooth flow of business activity. Okay, so let us have a brief introduction about the business service. Service sector constitutes the basic infrastructure which is must. The term must is here important. Must for the smooth flow of business activity, which helps the business infrastructure to build a smooth flow of business activity. This is called a business service. Okay, so the features regarding this are intangible, lack of inconsistency, third one is non-transferability, fourth one is customer participation. Okay, so these are the major features of a business service. Okay, so intangible, service cannot be seen but it can be felt. Okay, just take an example. AC repairs worker or customer care, you call to a particular customer care, he comes and repairs us the particular AC and he went back. Okay, that was a service. It cannot be seen but it felt that the AC was not working, but now it has started to work. This is intangible. So next one is lack of inconsistency. See, inconsistency means lack of motivation, lack of development of work. So just taking an example of nationalized bank. Okay, they will have different service than a private bank. They will give if just taking an example of a modern life. Okay, daily day-to-day life. If you go to a private sector, you will face a lot of you will not have a lot of problem. But if you go to nationalized bank, you will have a lot of problem because they require a lot of documents. Okay, they ask for a lot of document. If you are having a loan issue, they will ask a lot of document, but private bank does not ask a lot of document regarding the matter. So next one is non-transferability. Service cannot be transferred, or business service cannot be transferred from one person to another. You cannot ask an engineer to do doctor's work. Okay, a doctor works to an engineer. So it is non-transferability. The next thing is customer participation. Here, if what I explained in the first example about the AC, if the customer is only not calling the service center, he will come and repair? Definitely no. A big answer is no. So customer participation is required in this field. Okay, so next is the types of services. We are here with the three different types of services. First one is business services, second one is social services, third one is personal services. First thing which comes is the business services. Banking, insurance, transportation are related to the business services. Okay, so the next thing which comes is the social services. Social services improve healthcare facility in the urban areas. That will be a big issue. Okay, absolutely, you can say for the rural, urban, both areas. Okay, different NGOs are working for a different sector of people to get the work done. So that's what about the social service. Next one is the personal service. Personal service include the personal service which have been given by a particular sector of people. Tourism, restaurant, they give their services. Okay, this is a personal service. Okay, these are terms as a personal service. These were the types of services. So moving ahead, a brief introduction. Business service. Service sector constitute the basic infrastructure which is made for the such smooth flow of business activity. These are termed as the business services. What are its features? Intangible, lack of inconsistency, transferability, customer participation, types of services. Okay, now moving types of services: business service, social service, and personal service. Three kinds of service: personal service, social service, and